Hi, this is Tom Costa with Katie's Ice Cream, and I'm doing a short video for Steve Christensen and Scoop School, and it's really cool to be inside an ice cream shop that we're running, that we started, and it wasn't without Steve's help, and you know, this is all on paper about a year ago when we started this, so I thought I'd just say a couple words about where you might be in the development of your ice cream shop or your dream of running a shop. It might be all on paper and hands, you know, laid out sketches, and how do you get it from that to kind of what we have here today, where we've got a successful operating ice cream shop. I highly recommend Scoop School. I think that's the way to do it. What you'll find is all the details, all the industry knowledge that you need, practical knowledge, theoretical knowledge, to help you take concept all the way to execution. And I can't recommend Steve Christensen Scoop School highly enough. So just a real quick video to say thank you to Steve, and I really recommend, if you're thinking about any type of training or any type of consulting, I really talk with Steve Christensen. Thanks.